Scott Cam, the longtime face of the block, may be ready to hang up his tool belt after 14 years hosting the hit renovation series. Following frustrations with newer contestants and unexpected drama on set, rumors are swirling that the beloved host is planning to walk away after the 2025 season. But is this truly the end of an era, or just another twist in the show's storied history? After more than a decade as the host of the block, Scott Cam is reportedly contemplating retirement, with 2025 potentially marking his final year on the show. The 61-year-old builder and TV personality has been at the helm since 2010, when he took over from Jamie Dury, and has witnessed countless transformations, both on the show and within its contestants. However, recent reports suggest that Cam's patience has been tested by the evolving dynamics of the series. According to sources, the walkout of contestants Jesse McGuire and Paige Beachy during season 20 left Cam visibly shocked, reaffirming his desire to step away while the show is still on a high. Cam's frustration appears to stem from a shift in the mindset of the block contestants over the years. In a candid interview, he criticized the newer participants for lacking the resilience of earlier seasons, pointing out that the show's challenges have only grown tougher, yet expectations of ease have risen. This sentiment echoed loudly after Jesse and Paige's dramatic mid-season departure, which reportedly solidified his resolve to leave after hosting the highly anticipated Daylesford season in 2025. An insider revealed that Cam had confided in close colleagues during filming, admitting he planned to finish the next 2 seasons before bowing out for good to spend more time with his family. However, despite the persistent rumors of his impending departure, the block's network, 9, has consistently denied any official confirmation of Scott Cam's retirement. In fact, Cam himself has squashed these rumors in previous interviews, affirming his love for the show and his intention to keep going. Just last year, he signed a multi-year deal with 9, securing his role as host through 2025. Yet, sources hint that this agreement was part of a broader plan for Cam to exit on his own terms, with 2 standout seasons to cap his legacy. The move to delay filming in Daylesford, initially planned for 2024, was reportedly a personal disappointment for Cam, who had hoped to end his tenure with that particular renovation project. Still, it appears that Cam is determined to finish his journey with the block on a high note, even as fans and insiders alike speculate on the future of the show. Should Cam decide to retire, he has already suggested that his longtime co-host, Shelley Kraft, could be the perfect successor, jokingly adding that she's ready to step up when the time comes. Whether Scott Cam retires after the 2025 season or continues to oversee countless more renovations, his impact on the block is undeniable. As viewers await official confirmation of his plans, one thing is certain: his legacy as a beloved host and builder will be hard to match. Whether he stays or goes, Cam's influence on Australian television and on the block will long be remembered by fans, contestants, and colleagues alike.